The first thing we have to do is to draw Naruto's eyes, and if you watched my previous videos, you know that if the eyes are good, your drawing will be great. The distance between the eyes is about an eye and a half. Yeah, the metric system for this video will be Naruto's eyes. Now go 2 eyes down and draw his nostrils, and close to his nose draw a big line for his mouth. Now for his cheeks, draw 2 slightly curved lines not very close to his eyes, all the way down to the height of his mouth. Then complete his chin, which is not pointy like other anime characters, and the distance from his mouth is about an eye and a half. Add some details and let's draw his forehead protector, just above his eyes with a curved line. His ears must not pass the horizontal line of his nose, and then you can add the classic ear details, which are almost the same in every anime. Now add his eyebrows, which are very easy to draw, and the part of his hair next to his ears. His neck is slightly thicker than the distance of his pupils. Then continue with some pointy hair to the height of his chin. Complete his forehead protector, which is equal to 2 Naruto eyes, and the last part of this video is one of the easiest parts in how to draw videos. Just draw pointy hair like a 4-year-old. If you want to try something better, you can make smaller pointy hair to the sides, bigger in the central area, and mix them a little like this. Add some shadows, and there you have it. You just drew Uzumaki Naruto before chasing Sasuke for hundreds of episodes. If you want to draw more anime characters like this, let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more. Until next time!